Welcome. Want to increase the reach of your Instagram story and make it discoverable to a larger audience? Adding hashtags is a great way to do just that. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the steps to add hashtags to your Instagram story. It's super easy and can really help boost engagement. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap on Your Story at the top left corner to start creating your story. Next, select the photo you want to add to your story. Whether it's a picture you've already taken or one you just snapped, pick the image that you want to share with your followers. Once your photo is selected, look to the top of the screen for the sticker icon. Tap on the sticker icon to open up the sticker menu where you can add interactive elements like location tags, mentions, and of course, hashtags. In the sticker menu, tap on the hashtag icon. A text box will appear where you can type the hashtag you want to add to your story. Simply type the hashtag that best fits your content, whether it's something trending or a custom hashtag for your brand. Once you've typed in your hashtag, tap Done in the top right corner to add it to your story. You can resize and move the hashtag sticker around to fit your story design. Finally, when everything looks good, tap your story to post it. Now your hashtag is part of your Instagram story and will make it easier for others to discover your post when they search for that hashtag. And that's it. You've successfully added a hashtag to your Instagram story. It's a simple way to increase your visibility and engage with a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.